Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I am a sucker for essential oils, and any beautiful way that I can bring that into my home, I am definitely on board. And that's why I love this artificial succulent oil diffuser from MYLA. This kit comes in a box with 3 large essential oils, which came to my home very well packaged. The kit also includes a glass oil holder, 2 beautiful artificial succulent plants, and the large plant has a place for you to put the oil diffuser. Everything fits together very nicely, and once it's all put together, you have an absolutely beautiful piece of art that gives off the calming sense of essential oils. I love that I can place this anywhere in my home, and the aroma is strong enough to fill that whole area with the soothing scent of my choice. I also love how beautiful the marble vases look. It's made of a high quality material that brings a little class and elegance to whatever room I decide to put these in. This also comes with easy to read directions and a QR code for an ebook that shows you different combinations of oils, and also has a personal self-care questionnaire and a booklet to help you make sure that you're getting the most out of your self-care routine. So if you're ready to relax and unwind with a soothing scent of essential oils and a beautiful look with these succulent plants, then I think you're going to love this oil diffuser from MYLA. And that's my point of view.